October 23rd, 2015, we have the biggest super hurricane, Patricia, making landfall in Mexico. God bless the victims and my condolences. But what the media is probably not talking about, I don't know, because conspiracy theories doesn't watch TV. Anyways, so we have Patricia over here, but we have Olaf over here, Hurricane Olaf, Hawaii. Hello, did you forget about us? Okay, so if you look at the size of things, right, they're saying that Patricia is like a super duper big whatever. Look at the size of Olaf, okay? So I understand the wind speed and stuff like that, but still, like Olaf got pretty, out there, pretty close. I'm not saying that Olaf is bigger, but anyways. But okay, so the media, no doubt in my mind, they're not talking about this formation over here. And this one right here, nobody lives here really. It's just open Pacific Ocean. So, but look how much bigger it is than Olaf or Patricia and the one behind it, okay, the one over here. That's kind of crazy. That's mainland US, right? Canada. That's a pretty big formation, and look how far it stretches all the way. Boom. And it even kind of has of an eye. That's the really weird thing about it. We got the Great Lakes region, right? Okay, okay. So it's near the Great Lakes. Um, really strange. Yeah, you can kind of see the eye. Really weird, and you can see the spiral going the other way. Yeah, so there's the spiral going this way, but then there's that main spiral going this way, and this is like hundreds of miles. Okay, and so what's going on? Basically, geo-engineering gone out of control. Canada plus the United States plus Mexico. It's already a one nation. Hello? They don't tell you this in a CNN or BBC or ABC or whatever you want to call it. Mainstream media never gonna talk about it because they run the mainstream media. The only real news you're gonna get is from real people like us, like you and me. So I'm sure media not talking about this one. Like this one is just weird. It's pretty huge, as you can see. And you have this super hurricane, Patricia, that looks kind of small even. And this is October 23rd. Okay. Okay, so this is when it made landfall already. So you can see the eye of Patricia. There it is. Yep. A very well defined eye. Let's zoom in on it. If you read the news, they've been flying reconnaissance aircraft. U.S. military been flying reconnaissance aircraft into the eye of the storm. That's probably it right there, that little thing. And then, well, they don't tell you about the chemtrails, but I will. You know, am I gonna look for chemtrails right now? It's so easy to find them. They're everywhere. This whole thing is made of chemtrails because the way they do it, chemtrails have metallic particles. Metallic particles are magnetic. HAARP technology, any kind of that stuff is magnetic, electromagnetic, whatever you want to call it, okay? This is hundreds of miles, by the way, the scope of things. And this is not the only chemtrail in the area. As a matter of fact, this whole thing is one big chemtrail. How do you think they can achieve storms this big? They just spray a bunch of chemtrails and then they turn on the HAARP and then they manipulate it into a funnel, which is coming out of Guadalupe Island. And people don't even know about it. That's the problem. That's the biggest problem, is ignorance. And it ain't no bliss to be ignorant when this is going on. This is not legal. This is not cool. And what about the leaked military document? U.S. military by year 2012 control global weather. Like, what's up with that? Like, I guess they're practicing. Thanks for watching. Tune in. Till next time. And look at this one. What's going on here, right? Really, really, really crazy stuff. I'm signing out. Till next time.